Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam purchase errors. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see the Steam menu option there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the Settings window where you can adjust various Steam configurations. In the Settings window, look at the left panel where you'll find different categories. Click on Downloads. This section controls how Steam handles your downloads and cache files, which can sometimes interfere with purchases when they become corrupted or outdated. Now scroll down through the download settings until you find an option labeled Clear Download Cache. Right beside this text, you'll see a button that says Clear Cache. Go ahead and click on it. This action removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts with the Steam Store's payment processing system. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to clear the cache. Click Confirm to proceed. The cache will be cleared immediately, and you may notice Steam briefly refreshing or restarting certain functions. This is completely normal and part of the process. At this point, try making your purchase again to see if clearing the cache resolved the issue. Many times, this simple step fixes common purchase errors related to cache data conflicts. However, if you're still experiencing problems and the purchase error persists, you'll need to contact Steam support directly for personalized assistance. To reach Steam support, go back to the upper left corner and click Help. From the menu that appears, select Steam Support. This will open the Support Hub where you can access help for various Steam-related issues. On the Support page, click on Purchases. This category specifically handles all payment and transaction-related problems, making it the right place to report your purchase error. Next, click on I can't complete my purchase on the Steam Store. This option is designed specifically for situations where the payment process fails or encounters errors during checkout. Scroll down the page and click on My purchase is not listed here. This allows you to provide specific details about your unique situation rather than selecting from predetermined scenarios. You'll now see several categories to choose from. Select the option that best matches what you were trying to purchase, whether it's a game or other software, Steam Wallet funds, an in-game purchase, or a community market item. Pick the one that applies to your situation. In the details field that appears, provide a thorough explanation of the issue you're experiencing. Make sure to include the exact purchase error message you received and be as specific as possible about when the error occurred and what you were attempting to buy. The more detail you provide, the faster support can diagnose and resolve your issue. If you have any relevant screenshots or files that might help illustrate the problem, you can optionally attach them using the attachment option available on the page. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Send to submit your support ticket. After submitting your ticket, you'll need to wait for Steam's support team to review your case and respond. You'll receive their reply both in your Steam support tickets page and via email, so keep an eye on both places for updates. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.